Yes, so today we're going to be opening a parcel from Auntie Flo and Auntie Jumper. Okay, we need to open it. Okay. That hurt.
Get these scissors.
Let it go, let it go.
What do you think it is? Scarlett, do you have a guess?
I have no idea, but I know it's big. Let's open it. Okay, open it. Here we go. Time to open it. I wonder what it is.
What do you think?
Maybe it's a swing.
What did you say about this?
I know it's big.
No.
I think it's big.
And it's the...
It's almost as big as Kirsten. And it's almost as big as Kirsten. Look, ready, Kirsten? Kirsten, ready? Show them. Show them.
Oh, show them.
No. Lie down. Come on. I can turn it the other way now, Mommy. Oh, it's still like that. There you go. I'm so excited to see what it is. It's almost open. Kirsten, come on. Whoa. Another box. What's this? It's heavy. Okay. I need to take this out. 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 Just this. A gift for you and a gift for you. Enjoy your gift. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. From. Doesn't say who it's from. Down. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. Okay. Next one, Kirsten. We have to use our nails.
This is a lot.
I'm so excited.
What about this tape? This tape.
Rock and jam. There's so many boxes. What if it's in another box?
Two boxes.
Can you hold them?
Look, Mommy.
Mommy, it's still here.
Still here, Mommy. Still here.
Got it. Box. Kirsten!
What is it?
It's a keyboard!
What's the keyboard?
It's a keyboard! Yay! can play. Now I can sing crazier with it. Whoa! Ugh. Okay. I see it. Kirsten, come on. Help me. Kirsten, hold the box. I can't get it out. Ouch. It's so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, Mommy, did you know how I talked about the app Simply Piano? It's right on here and you can use it. I'm going to use it. Oh, I used to go to piano lessons. Maybe I can play some of those keys on here. Annie Sloan, thank you, Annie Jumper. Oh, good job, Kirsten. Ready, hold it? Hold it very tight, very tight. I'm going to pull this off. Oh my God, so pretty. Oh, cool. Wait, let me see. Kirsten, wait. Okay. Wait, ready, Kirsten? Watch this. Kirsten. Wait, cousin, I remember a song. Wait. No, Mary.
Hang on, Kristen, let Ate.
I remember a song. No, Mary had. Mary had. Oh, Kirsten, stop. That's. Mary had a. Kirsten, you can go. This is the deep voice. This is the very low. Wait, let me see. Well, I want to play a song first. This is so cool. Mommy, you have to download this. Okay. Maybe I'm going to get the iPad and we'll go to App Store and I'll download it, okay? My most favorite gift ever. Wait, where's middle C? Middle C, it's over here. Kirsten, don't do that. This is all the keys. Okay, let me find middle C. Middle C. Stop. There's a song here. Hands to yourself. Stop. I know.
you, Jeffrey, for the keyboard. It's one of my favorite gifts.